Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make a requested tuber cap. I will show you how I made this design. Hair circumference is 22 inches. I have 22 inches and I will add 1 inch to sew on this side and on this side. So I have 23 inches. So the measurement I have here is 23 inches. I'm going to use 22 inches. What I will do now is to sew here. I will sew with 1/2 inch. I will fold into 2. This is where I just finished sewing. This is where I will place on my forehead. So what I will do now is to mark like this. I will cut. I have this shape. I'm going to sew on the back. I fold into 2. I will measure 5 inches. I fold into 4 and again. So I'm going to cut a circle. I have 2.5 inches. I will measure 2.5 inches. I have this one. I will bring this way. I fold into 2. I will sew 2 inches on the back. I'm done sewing here. I will use my thread and needle to make gather on the back. I'm done making gather on the back and I'm going to sew this here. Starting from here, I will sew round. When I'm done sewing, I will sew this one on the back to cover up this part. I will go and sew. If the circle shape you cut is too big, you can reduce it. Like I used 2.5 inches to cut this one, you can use 2 inches to cut. I'm going to my machine and sew round. I will sew this one round just like this. Look, just like the way I sew this, I will sew this one. Then I will leave like 2 inches to bring out the right side. I'm done sewing. I leave some inches to bring out the right side. So what I will do is to go and hem this way. I will stitch here. Starting with this one, the measurement I have 2 inches, 2 inches by 65 inches. I fold into 2. I fold into 2. I fold into 4. This into 4, 8, then into 16. this. And this one is 2 inches by 65 inches. This one is also 2 inches by 65 inches. The way I made this one, I started this way. I lose the gather a little, then I start to twist like this. After making this way, I sew round. I'm not going to twist the same way I make with this. I'm going to make this way like this, just like this, and place this one on top. If you don't have, you can use this one, but I just want bigger one. That is why I made this one by myself. Otherwise, this one. I'm going to sew down with machine to secure the thread. I'm done sewing. I will place on the back of the, like this. You can use any color of your choice. If you don't want the same color, you can use I have this tuber cap in this channel. I will leave the link in the description box. You can go and check it out and see how this beautiful tuber cap is made. I have this dress. I will leave the link in the description box. This tuber cap is a requested one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.